Hello everyone, today I will show you about card sorting, one of primary user experience research methods. Firstly, we will explore what is card sorting. This is its full definition, but you just remember card sorting involves grouping and naming things. When you run card sorting, you give participants cards that represent your content and ask them to group those cards into meaningful categories. So, why do we need conduct a card sort? It helps you organize information in a way that makes sense to your users. Besides that, here are some three keywords to describe its advantages. The first one is cheap. You can use free online card sorting tools or just need a pen and paper to create physical cards. The second one is fast. It only takes a couple of minutes to set up and complete a study. And the last one is simple technique. It's basically just dragging and dropping cards. However, it can take some time to analyze the results. Card sorting isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, so consider. Then, when do you need card sorting? It's useful at many stages of design process, from creating a new product from scratch, test it, and to redesign it, with the final purpose is developing an information architecture which best matches user expectancy. So, how to conduct a card sorting study? Step 1. Create your cards based on what you want to explore. Step 2. Ask participants to organize cards into groups. Step 3. Label each group. And step 4. Analyze card sorting data. But before above steps, it's crucial to carefully think through your research aims and types of card sort you want to do. For in-person sorting, users will organize physical cards and researchers collect data manually. That means they need to document the results of sorting and analyze them. Regarding remote sorting, they will use online card sorting tools instead, like Optimal Workshop, and tool will collect and analyze the results. So, the usability of the tool can also impact the results of the sections. But how your participants label their cards will depend on whether you're running open, closed, or hybrid sorting. For open sorting, participants will organize or categorize information or items in groups and then label groups. This is the most flexible option. For closed sorting, they must arrange cards into existing categories, and for hybrid one, researchers combine open and closed sorting together. In summary, the key to distinguish among three types. For open sorting, no categories are predefined. Closed sorting, all categories are redefined. And for hybrid sorting, it is the combination of two ones above, so just some categories are predefined. Card sorting can be moderated and unmoderated one. Moderated means there's a necessary of the presence of a person who observes how participants sort cards and listens what they are saying. From that, learn more about reasons behind their decisions. Is opposite to unmoderated one. And here are some important notes for you. In qualitative research, you need to understand reasons why users play cards into a group. You often ask follow-up questions. Therefore, recruiting at least 15 people is okay to control and get their insights. But in quantitative studies, you focus on how many times people group certain cards together. So I recommend at least 30 to 50 people to ensure results can represent a broad population. And each session should last 20 minutes for 30 cards and include 50 to 60 topics. Finally, I will compare card sorting to another method relating to information architecture, that is tree testing. So what are their differences? About their purpose, card sorting is to generate ideas to organize content, while tree testing is to evaluate an existing or proposed navigation structures. For that reason, the type of methodology for card sorting is discovery, and for tree testing is evaluative. After that, participants in card sorting method will organize cards into groups, while participants in tree testing method will navigate through an established hierarchy of content, and tools for card sorting are optimal, UX-Trick, UserUm, and Maze. And for tree testing is tree check. Here I will give you two simple examples for each method. For card sorting, users grouped pricing and support cards under customer service category, and for tree testing, user took 5 clicks to find pricing with 30% success. And that's it my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I want to give a special thanks to Professor Jing E. Chen for her detailed lectures and support. I really appreciated the open learning approach in this final assignment. Instead of being stuck with the textbook content, I had a chance to dive deeper into card sorting, exploring the theory and its practical applications. The materials from the Interaction Design Foundation was super helpful in showing me how card sorting works in the real UX projects and how it's such a valuable tool for organizing information and improving user experience. What I really enjoyed was the freedom to present my findings based on my own understanding. After reading the article, I wasn't tied to the standard textbooks, so I could structure my presentation in a way that made sense to me. This made me feel more engaged and confident in sharing my thoughts. Plus, the real-world focus of the material helped me see the true value of card sortings. It wasn't just about learning the method, it was about understanding how to apply it in projects, like how many participants I should recruit and how I can organize a card sorting section.